Well, this is a different kind of video for me coming at you today. I'm actually doing an unboxing of a product that this company, Vevor, I hope I'm saying that right, sent me. And this thing's a hoist. And I can't wait to see how it is, what it does. And the only thing I'm getting out of this is I get to keep this hoist. So bear with me as this is my first unboxing. There we go, that's out of there. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Alright. I don't believe in wasting time. Opening a box is just like opening a Christmas present. What all do we have here? Got the main unit here. Got a lifting strap. It's like some mounting straps. It's like a traveling pulley. This is definitely the controls and the plug. Some hardware. Another lifting strap. And the directions. Nice. Well, first impressions here, it's quite heavy. We'll go over here some specs in a minute. It doesn't seem to be built poorly. It's only for 480 or 440 pounds rather. So the cable's not the hugest, but it's looking like it's going to be adequate. Got a good sized motor. Decent steel. Controls seem to be very simple. Yep, up, down. Imagine that's emergency stop. Yep, okay. Nice. Very nice. I think this is going to work quite well. So let me give you some specs on this here. So, as advertised, it's an electric hoist. And you'll be able to check the link down at the bottom and see where you can buy this on Amazon. You can also go visit their store via Amazon. This unit here is just under $100. You can actually get one that's this one here is 440 pounds. You can get an 880 pound one for only under $140. So that's not bad at all. This one here has got a 14-foot wire remote, as well as 39.4 feet of lifting height with the cable here. And then when you use the pulley and the block, you're looking at 19.7 lifting height. It's a 120 volt motor, 480 watt, 2,800 RPMs per minute, and it's also rated at 1.6 Nm of torque, whatever that means, okay? But it looks pretty solid. I can't wait to get this installed and to see what it's like. Looks like it'll just kind of mount right over a piece of square tubing or something, but it's going to be a blast. A big thanks to the people at Vevor for sending me this thing and giving me this opportunity. This is my first time ever filming something like this and doing something like this, so I hope I do them justice in this product, and I hope our relationship goes a little farther, because I think this is kind of fun to show these kind of things and to give people an idea exactly what they're going to open, what they're going to see. So either case, let's go ahead and take a look at these and see what we got in these things. Trying very hard not to cut the strap. So we got our standard large strap, got loops on both ends, right? Yep. Typical lifting strap, awful large, probably rated a lot heavier than what this thing can lift, but hey, pretty nice though, just the same. This one here looks a little different. And this one here, oh, this is a nice little hoisting strap. That'll do quite a bit of work. And again, I think seems to be rated far heavier than 440 pounds. But pretty nice. A couple of features about this thing here. This motor is all pure copper. It's got a cooling fan built into it, which means it's dealt for, you know, lots of use. They say it's ideal for your garage, your warehouse, or your factory. So pretty nice. I think it's pretty well built for the light duty that it is. What will I use this for? Probably things like lifting my bike up into the air so I can put it on blocks to work on it, or anything like that, anything heavy. Maybe my air compressor. In fact, when my generator needs service, I'll probably use this to lift it up and set it on some sawhorses and drain the oil out so I don't get my workbench all jacked up. You know, besides that, trying to get it up onto the workbench, it's pretty heavy. But either case, it's going to be a nice new set of hands in the garage, and I thank the people at Vevor for sending it to me, and I appreciate all they've done and all your support for the channel. So if this interests you, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm gonna sell out, all that kind of stuff. Okay, that's fine, but then, you know, hey, send me some money so I can keep making videos that you like. Okay, because I don't make enough money to just go and play in the woods all the time. I'm not an independent millionaire or nothing like that. So I appreciate all the support for the channel. Anything that I can do to help generate more awareness and things for things you can do for yourself and not have to pay somebody else to take care of, to become self-sufficient. That's the whole idea of me being outside and doing whatever. It's just to show people you can be independent, alone, and do things just fine and not need a whole lot of extra help. So thank you so much for the people of Vevor for sending this to me, and thank you. God bless.